are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's view. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.
Shout out asikubingelele mbukeli we Sport Talk with GTZ. I'm so excited today and siyabonga le support leni siniketa yona ngazo sonke isikhathi nalama feedback leni siniketa wona siyabonga and continue now utshelela abanye ukuthi we are here to talk about sports, especially in our surrounding places around Mbombela. So now ke mangabe so vele wende njalo, we really appreciate. So namuhla for the first time ku Sport Talk asikhulumi ngebhola, sikhuluma ngetennis, libhola lemphebedo. So sifuna kwathi ku understand ukuthi eMbombela noma eMpumalanga sesihambe kangakanani ngelwadi lolibhola lemphebedo. Njengalokho sathi ukuthi sinenhlanhla ke laMbombela kuba ne tournament yeMbombela Open. So namuhla si decide ukuthi ake sikhulume ngetennis, nami ngiyawufunza kulokunye lengakwadi kwetennis along kule nkulumo lesiyobe sinayo ne founder yeMbombela Open, Mr. Sabelo Mkhololo Nsundvu Mathebula kwathi yena mnakethu asikubingelele ku Sport Talk.
Ngiyabingelela but ninjani, right?
Impilo igcwele bhuti.
Nokuhle kakhulu, siyabonga ukuthi sithole opportunity ukuthi sive la namuhla.
Congratulations at first nje ngicala le program le, I think mangaphosisa seyihambe 3 years.
Yeah, lo mnyaka lesikuwo umnyaka wes3 kodwa noma ubuka la mhlambe sisuka khona leliphupho liyale kubo 5 years ukuthi kwakheke leliphupho lamdlela silibona seliphila.
Ukhuluma ngeliphupho mnakethu, kungani ungene ku tennis ungangene tuku elibhola letinyawo?
Umdlalo wetennis uma ngibuka emuva ngibona kwangathi ngize ngithathe kwangathi manje kwaba into lengayimunya ebeleni.
Okay.
Ngayiphi indlela le yaminyaka le over 34 years ago makwambe ubeka sebenza emakhishini.
Yes.
Ngalenye langa wafika afika ekhaya nema rackets like 2 lawa elplank.
Yes.
And then the following day umabuye nje nakubuye emsebenzini ngavuka ngaye esikoleni, ngathi mangibuye esikoleni ngabe ngiye tennisini. Ngingayathi tennis bekhona makhelwane lo wangihambisa saye tennisini, sahlangana nalumunye babelo mdzala le namhla ngimbita njenge mentor yami, ngiloku lenginikwe namuhla ngenxa yakhe babe Henry Khoza beka sebenza ejele at the time. Yeah, bangifundzisa ngafika la esigabeni ngatholwa there's another coach who used to be chairperson or president we my coach in South Africa, Shalmare besinaye la ino sport and I believe usesekhona naye, you know, he took over wangithatha wangibeka esigabeni lesithile ngoba ngibo bantu lengibabuka njengebantu labangibeke la ngikhona khona ngalami amagama ngikhuluma ngamake ngoba nguye lo waletha lento le namhla ngibeka la ngikhona khona ngawuke yaqala lapho ngadlala esikolweni tennis. Kwangiconnecta nale sport and that is why namuhla noma ngikhumbula into lengatenda mhlawumbe ngisadlala tennis esikolweni ngisathi khumbula kahle ngoba taba i-foundation yaloku namuhla lengwena nyalo ngike ngazama ibhola.
Yeah, ngifuna ukubuta ukuthi bongaphiwa yini.
Ngicabanga ukuthi benginazo siphiwo.
Yes.
Nithi ngoba yabona umuntu na akhula kuya ngose talent lakhe ulifila ngakuphi. But ke mina ngimuntu kuma sports lokhona ukuthi ngende into ezithi ngike ngadlala isoccer yakhumbula lesikhathi bekuna i-tournament bekubita i-Champions League.
Champions League. Yes.
Ngike ngadlala leso sikhathi sihambe sodlala kaNyamazane. It was very interesting but you know lokhu ithemba bekungahambi kufike kulesigaba lesila mhlambe nami bengafisa khona.
Yes.
Yeah, ngadlala bo volleyball, ngadlala bo basketball. Yeah, ngizamile you know into ezinengana. I believe was talented ezintweni eziningi but ngicabanga ukuthi tennis kube ngiyo le take over ngoba nasesikolweni ngidlalile, there was since ngaqala that day mangihamba na Rakete Plank.
Yes.
The following year bese ngikhona kudlala ngihamba kuma tournaments. Every year bengiya kuma national championships at Durban siyodlala khona. But also lokunye, one of my highlights sesesikoleni ukuthi 1993 I remember sihamba ukukhumbula lesikhathi besingakasihlangani nebadlali noma mhlambe laba mhlophe kodwa ngalo mnyaka loyo saselectwa uma siya kuma nationals that year saye Bloemfontein, and then I was one of the 7 players last selected in the country to go and represent the black high schools in South Africa. So logo ngiko lokwa cementa lelithando le tennis ngiyelo nzabe nje nga sustain until today.
Lelithando le tennis sabza selikhulile noma sokhulile wena bophupha ukuthi uyafisa kuba mhlambe ne club kuyendeka uyavuka uyaphaphama sekufuna manje u-apply reality ukuthi yendeka kanjani, how do you hlanganisa 1 na 2, and then kutalwa kwembombela open kutalwa ngawuphi iminyaka?
About 5 years ago ngicabanga ukuthi ngila ngayibona lento ukuthi iyaphila ukuthi ngendeka. Ngilo muntu mina ke lohlala anemaphupho entweni eziningi. Ngilo muntu lohlala aplana, ngicabanga ukuthi yabona ngakhona kwendindlo leso. Kodwa yabona ngakutshela nje lokwendeka lokwabangela ukuthi ngithi yabona manje this thing must happen.
Yes.
Ngalenye la ngeke kuba khona igap especially ngisasebenza government kwaba khona igap ngangadlala tennis ngaleyo ndlela bengafisa adlala ngakhona ngahlala sikhashanyana but sathi uma sibuya ngase mangibuya after a friend of mine David Mokhanedi yena beka active at the time.
Yes.
Angiphusha wathi hayi mana sambe sodlala tournament, come back and let's prepare sodlala tournament esekunda. That year ngathi mangibuya after sikhashanyana ngahamba ngayoyina tournament.
Okay.
And then masicedza ku tournament bathi phela sisibukile uzawo phela kubuye sothola ama prizes whatever. Organizer lobeka run tournament wathi hayi no thanks guys, drive safely, nibe right. And then angithi etensini mandlala ma tournaments ngithola ama points. I mean, which is also important.
Yes.
But engqondweni yami ngiyacabanga so okay, we drove suka khona Baptini embombela kumbe kuphi seta la and then sa booka accommodation yeah sebenza ama rackets phela expensive lento phoko the string ama rackets kuningi lokungenako but manje ngisabukeli manje mina sengikhulumela generally etensini. Uma umuntu atlungiselela i-tournament kokuqala badala for i-coaching if ngabe a-competitive ngaleyo ndlela, badala i-coaching athenge equipment, athenge ukugcoka, aspend isikhathi, a-travel, kufuna imali. And you'll remember uze wakhuluma lapha na president we-tennis South Africa ukuthi i-player lidinga about 3 million rands and maybe even more to be able to sustain over umnyaka. And then ekugcineni now manje locally sidlala ama tournaments, we need to find a way yokuthi sikhona uku-appreciate i-effort ma players la ifakako and also help them bakhona uku-sustain, bakhona ukuchubeka ngalo mdlalo labawendayo. And so the way we needed to appreciate ngakhona abadlali ngilokhu lokwafika kwaba into lenkulu kimi ngoba ngabuka ngathi hayi we need to find a way. It can't angeke kuchubeke ngalendlela, so we need to find a way. That's where I then said I would like to host a tournament that will make a big difference kuma players sikhona kuba appreciate njengoba sibona kuma tournaments lamakhulu kwendiwa. Maybe thina angeke sihambe ngale scale sema tournaments lamakhulu ngale ndlela ama grand slams and so on, but we can make it a difference where sikhona ku appreciate and ku understand ukuthi labadlali badlala sonje kuningi labakuspendako, kuningi labakufakako kuze babe ngiloku labangiko bahambe lawo ma tournaments lawo. Yaqala lapho indzaba yembombela open kuze kube nginamuhla ukuthi I wish I can have a bigger platform labadlali angathi even nalo uphume ku first round kube khona la kutholako, so that akhona ukubuyela ekhaya abone ibenefits yalokhu la kwendako.
Achubeke, agugudeleke.
Yes.
So why ucabange ukuthi lidolobha leMbombela ngilo lelikahle ukuthi ungenda le project kulo emadolobha langaka la khona mhlawumbe ubuye eBabathoni Malelane? Why did you decide to choose ukuthi this is Mbombela and you're gonna name it Mbombela Open?
Okay. Well, I take advantage ukuthi yabo njengoba mina ngisuke eBabathoni.
Yes.
Babathoni under iMbombela. You know, iMbombela i-capital city, a province, and i-facility khona. Lokho kwende kwabalula ukuthi I mean nami ngilangcoachela khona la eNelspruit Tennis Club, and so ngibone ukuthi manje ngaba kuhle ukuthi sisebenzise le facility le, not only yona but nima facilities lamanye la khona around etikolweni Matume Golf Estate nakulethe inzawo. Ngawo ke ngicabanga ukuthi kube kwende isense ukuthi sisebenzise le facility ngoba ikhona. And inzawo futhi uma ubuka iconcept yethu eMbombela Open I see about playing tennis, but it's about tourism as well. Ngiyenzaba uma ubuka eMbombela strategic, especially around la sikhona khona kwenzawo letinhle kakhulu letima attractions. That is why eMbombela Open is more of a sports tourism initiative. Ngicabanga ukuthi it makes sense ukuthi sibe la eMbombela. And by the way, mina uma ngihlala phansi ngicabanga there is no other place in the country lama tournaments lamakhulu avame ukuya khona lengafanana neMbombela Lombe, lengafanana neMpumalanga, the way simo sethu singakhona in terms of tourism. Ngawe ngicabanga sinzawo lenhle kakhulu.
Ngikuphi la sabza la ubone khona after iMbombela Open so ilaunchile la ubone khona ukuthi hey lento lengathi ngifuna kuyenda ngathi nekukhanya nguphi umnyaka la ubone khona ukuthi uyabona lento lengathi ngifuna kuyenda it's moving?
Uyabo mina icabanga kwami in life inzabe ekukhanya.
Yes.
Uyabo uma ungathikhanyiseli kude kukhanya lokunye longakulinzela
kulabanye.
Yeah, from the onset I knew ukuthi this thing is going to blossom. Lokhu kune potential nanoma ngabe lokukhanya mhlawumbe kungabonakala ngathi akubonakala, mina ngiyakubona ukuthi kukhona. That is why from umnyaka wa 2024 uma sicala ngeMbombela Open uqala ma challenges bawamaningi kakhulu. Namanje ngiyakubuza ukuthi sandlula kanjani yabona. Sakhona ke in the tournament, but nakhona we had to remember eSouth Africa uma ngabe sikhuluma ngama tournaments sikhuluma ngema tournaments la sanctionwa iTennis South Africa, bese kuba khona ema tournaments la sanctionwa iWorld Tennis. Ngawo ke ibenchmark yethu uma sibuka i-tournament eSouth Africa, because masikhuluma ngeMbombela Open sikhuluma nge-tournament yase-South Africa le-sanctionwa iTennis South Africa, and then sabuka i-tournament lenkulu. There was one tournament lese-Eastern Cape, it used to be big, but ke I'm not sure manje, but sabuka yona ukuthi sifuna kumatcha yona, but fortunately sakhona ukuthi in terms of prize money sibe ngitulu kwayo masiqala yaba nge-200,000, and then sathola interest lenkulu, and then kwasiniketa siqiniseko sokuthi lokhu lesiqalile into lenkulu, because even Tennis South Africa appreciate the platform lebe siyicreate ngaleyo ndlela. I believe lapha ukuthi saba nema countries afana neSwatini, Mozambique, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, and then we had that tournament kwaba nebadlali abaningi bakhona la eSouth Africa. And then last year 2025 saba nema countries like 10, and so we were so excited ngoba bekuma signs ukuthi i-tournament iyakhula, and then wasi motivator kakhulu. So uma usiyabuka even the attention lesitholako from government and ma sectors lahlukahlukene naku Tennis South Africa ikhombisa ukukhula. That is why last year uma siba ne tournament ne World Tennis or ITF nayo yabonisa i-interest, but encourage ukuthi no, how about you take it a step further la singaba khona i-part ye World Tennis Tour. And then that agreement yendeka last year, namuhla sikhuluma sesiphathi ye-World Tennis Tour, and we are adding up kule tournament esinayo, sesi-add another arm, which is an international event lesitoba nayo this year, lipromise ukuthi itoba inkulu.
2024 mayiqala le project or mayiqala iMbombela Open ihosta i-tournament yabo yokuqala, ukhulume ngama-challenges. Ngaphi ama-challenges lenifacana nawo in terms of ku-tennis?
Ukhulumela ku-tennis noma ukhulumela eziMbombela Open?
Mbombela Open. Yeah, ngaphi ama-challenges lenidibana nawo, ngoba ushilo ukuthi mayiqala nanyalo mawubuka emuva uyamangala ukuthi hey ngidlule njani lapha kulo mnyaka wa 2014 nga-2024 ngalama challenges lebeka khona.
Ukuze ukhona ukuhosta i-event uthi ngama-resources.
Yes.
It's ngama-resources in terms of imali, in terms of human resource, in terms of your skills, tibaningi letinto. And uma ukhuluma ngama-resources imali tiningi letinto letidingekile kuze le tournament ikhona ukuthi kusichubeke.
Yes.
That is the biggest area. And then bese uyabuka ke ukuthi for umuntu ma sponsors ukuthi abe involved kuba very difficult.
Yes.
Because kuqala uma ukhuluma uthi wena ufuna i-prize money is 200,000. Okay, the prize money imali le to winwa ama players, but usadzinga letinye imali around the event, kufaka phakathi imali ye-tournament referee, imali yama-officials, imali ye-accommodation yama-officials, imali yama-meals. Naletinye itinto lofuneka ama-tennis balls to be able to have, i-tournament iqhubeke, udzinga book ama-venues so that tournament ikhona ukuthi iqhubeke. So ngiwo ema-challenges lawo labese ayavela. Bese ufuna lisito, uthola njani lisito abantu bangakwadi? Yebo bayakwazi uya wena bakubona uya coach and so on, but banasiphi isiqiniseko sokuthi wena ukhona ukuthi lendvu ibe i-success. Khumbule if abantu baba involved kusho ukuthi ne reputation yabo iku stake. So yini lo yenda wena lento wenda ukuthi ligama labo liphakame, and ma sponsors umwabita they want value for money. Funa usilokhu lobaniketa kona bakhona ukuthola back in terms of ma sales, in terms of bantu bakhona kuba ukuthi kube ne traffic endaweni tabo. So tuning letinto letendekako, hence the government was supposed to play a big role of which umnyaka wokuqala i-MTPA yakhona ukusisincede.
Yes.
Sakhona ukusebe ne tournament, and that year i-MTPA yenda umehluko lomkhulu. Sakhona ukuthi, and we appreciated the support labasinika yona. Namuhla sikhuluma ngeMbombela Open nje ngoba i-MTPA yafaka sandla, i-department yaka sport yasonzela nabo basiniketa i-support. Kodwa uma ubuka eminyakeni labangene ngawo fully 2000 and noma 2025 last year, hayi ngibo ke babese basithala basise etulo. Namuhla ke sikhuluma nje sithole ngibo na i-department yaka culture, sport and recreation. Yes, I remember MEC Mam Leya Mabuza wenda lukhulu wabanaso masilaunch eKruger National Park, nayo iKruger National Park yasiniketa i-support, and namhla appreciate lasikhona khona ngenxa yesandla lasifakile. So we believe ukuthi going forward kukhulu lesikubukile. And I remember last year uma enda i-budget speech lapha na legislature wakhuluma ngeMbombela Open, washo ukuthi as a department bafaka sandla ukuthi kube i-vehicle tokhula khona ukuphakamisa ne province yethu in terms of sports tourism. Ngawuke siyacabanga ukuthi kuningi lesitock achieve.
Shout out to Umakele Amabuza, bekwenda sure ukuthi mangabe kukhona lokuthinza temidlalo, mangabe banqonqothe officeini lakho uyakhona kubavulela. Chube kanjalo make siyabonga. Ukhulume ngekuthi 2024 mayiqala bekunema players from outside South Africa labuye atodlala le tournament. Ngithathe sabza ungifake ku picture bangena kanjani ba kule tournament.
Okay, uma kunendlela kokuqala nje ama players uma ngabe kufanele usadlala le tournament kumele ukuthi ba sign up as kube ne affiliation fee lebayibhadalako as tournament players eSouth Africa.
Yes.
So uma kunebadlali labo biya ngaphandle still nabo balandzela the same route ukuthi kumele ukuthi uma bafuna ukudlala ama-tournaments eSouth Africa kumele ukuthi ba-sign up as ma-players who can be able to play ama-tournaments ase-South Africa. So lapho sikhuluma ngama-tournaments la sanctionwa yi-Tennis South Africa. But uma nyalo sikhuluma ngama-tournaments like World Tennis Tour events, then kune-platform ye-ITF. Le nyalo, by the way, siyanjinja iba World Tennis. So kuba ne-platform la ama-players la affiliate as ma World Tennis players bakhona kungena ku that platform njengoba sikhuluma nyalo sikhuluma nge-tournament ngicabanga ukuthi sizococa ngayo imbombela Open Global Series la already iya appear ku website ye World Tennis uma bayongenela i-tournament bayongenela leyo platform leyo ngawuke noma ungaphandle kwe-country still we are able to to participate.
Sikhuluma nge-tournament leba ngakhe badlali.
Okay, ayasikhuluma mhlawumbe ngama-numbers. Uma sicala i-tournament yokucala saba nema-players lang-192.
That's 2024.
2024.
Yes.
Yeah, last year saba nema-players lang-227.
Okay.
So, lo mnyaka lo, I'm expecting ukuthi le nombolo ingakhula leya 227 iye etulu. Kodwa, lo 227 ufaka ama-players tournament lesanctionwa i-Tennis South Africa.
Yes.
Ngilento wendeka ngoJune. But uma sikhuluma nge-tournament le ITF noma ye-World Tennis lesitoba nayo ngo-April May, leyo i-platform yayo iyahluka ngoba kuba khona a fixed draw lekumele ukuthi ama-players kufuna kube na 32 players kubo make kube na 32 players kubo babe labantu participate. Sikhuluma nge-main draw. Before kuyodlalwa i-main draw kuba khona ama-qualifiers. Lotho mhlawumbe kuba nema-players lang-16 a-compete kubo babe, 16 a-compete kubo make balwela sport ku-main draw.
Yes.
So ngilokhu lesitokulenzela ukuthi kutoba 32 players plus 16, 32 players plus 16. Kanti-ke kuba khona futhi labanye labangeke bayodlala ama-singles bafuna bona kuyodlala ama-doubles. So nabo still baba available ukuthi bakhona ukulinza the main draw so that bakhona ukuparticipate kuma-double. So in a way unga-expecta ukuthi mhlambe singaba nebadlali laba mhlambe le bo close to 120 labatawube batele the first tournament letodlala over 2 weeks. Ngilasilenzele khona badlali who will be coming from over 26 countries but to participate with the international tennis event.
Ukhulume nge-tourism ukuthi kuba khona kwale tournament kusita kakhulu umnotfo wasembombela. Mhlambe lo munye uyabuta ukuthi ungenaphi umnotfo mangabe kudlala imbombela Open kusita ngani umnotho mhlambe kudwebela umuntu usithombe ayibone lento lokhuluma ngayo ukuthi mangabe kune mbombela Open idlala emalanga langaka umnotho embombela ukhula ngokuthi kwenteka 1 2 3 wedini.
Okay, asicale ngokuthi uma sikhuluma nge-tournament at the level la silinzele ama-players ukuthi ede ngakhona inyalo especially for the international event.
Yes.
Silinzele ukuthi generally i-player umalida akethi nje ayedwa
awuvake uhamba nasiyakhona.
Yeah, uta kube na coach ngasikhathi
how many coaches?
I mean kuyadependa kuya ngema levels uma ukhula lo munye uyaye ete team lenkulu ngoba mhlambe uthola mhlambe kuba khona i-coach kuba ne-hitting partner mhlambe kuba khona lo mhlambe lo dealer like physio whatever.
Hitting partner yini lakadlala naye
hitting partner. Yeah, hitting partner kulukuthi uma a-prepare like a practice or a-prepare for image nguba ngilo shaya naye. Coach yena gives instructions and trying to assist in terms of coaching. On the other hand the same player kudoda mhlambe family members. Kulesinye isikhathi mhlambe if mhlambe Toulouse mhlambe kuba ne-sponsor sakhe or whatever the case is angaba khona meaning uma liplayer leli 1 liter lingata nebantu abayi4 or labayi5 or nangetulu especially uma sikhuluma ngosi kutiwa eMpumalanga la kune Kruger National Park khona la kune Graskop yeah Panorama Route bo played and so on. Uma bathi ukuthi kubetha enzaweni lezi ngale nathi ngale way siyobe siyimarketa ngakhona you might expect they can use that tournament as an outing, as a family. Balanzele lokuthi abethi nje for tennis kuphela, but better for other things. Khumbula uma sikhuluma nge-tennis sikhuluma ngebantu who abaku-position yokuthi they are economically active, banema-resources, others are getting sponsors, to be able to do this thing. And so kuba lula kubo ku-afforda, and these are people who will always be able to come back on their own nanoma sebangasatili tournament. And that is why it's also important for for government, for the tourism sector and my sponsors to be able to see the bigger picture. Ukuthi uma sikhuluma nge-tournament lefana le sikhuluma ngokuthi bangakhi bantu labatotholakala beta. Okay, ake sikhulume mhlambe nge-example ye-soccer match.
Yes.
Ku-soccer mhlambe kuyodlalwa namhle ebusuku. Batota abantu bafike bete kutodlala i-tournament. Mhlambe labanye batolala or labanye batojika. But batoba khona labatolala uma bacetha bayahamba. But lathi ku-tennis sikhuluma nge-tournament loyihamba for 2 weeks. Kuna week 1, especially uma sikhuluma this time around sikhuluma ngembombela Open Global Series. Week 1 uqala mhla ka-27 April uyophela mhla ka-3 May. That's week 1. And then week 2 uyaqala mhla ka-4 until mhla ka-10 May. Meaning labadlali bonke batobe balana for 2 weeks. Batobe bendani ngoba after baqeda kudlala i-tennis court labanye babuyele hotela, and batobe bahlala ema-hotela nakuma guest houses, by the way, and others will be flying in using i-airport yethu.
Not for solo yakhula.
Lo kusho ukuthi labantu uma baphuma ekudlaleni angeke baphume bonke baye ehotela, because we are actually going to promote and inform them, give them tinzawo leti khona labangaya kudo bayitubona. Labanye siyoba organize transport to be able to get there, because sifuna ukuthi kube khona i-transport system yethu kumele kube khona i-transport lesitoyithemba nalabantu sitobatshela ukuthi naba abantu engabasebenzisa uma ngabe nifuna ku-move around, so that nikhona ukubona tinzawo in terms of tourism and so on. Labanye usehotela but uyofuna ukuthi aphume aye mall kumbe aye kuphi uyobasebenzisa i-transport yakhona la. So ngithothi indlela letuto wenda ukuthi indzawo yakithi khona ukubenefit. Lokunye ke lesifuna kukwena lesihlale sikubona e-TV, i-tennis ibukelwa ngakhona kuba nama-spectators, and so thina we're coming up sine concept lesibita ukuthi imbombela Open Village. Bombela Open Village, it's our economic hub of the tournament. That's where we want to showcase tinvo leti tholakala eMbombela noma leti tholakala eMpumalanga. That is why, I mean, lasikhona khona kukhona abantu tourism mhlambe une brand langafisa kuyi-showcase, whether clothing or whether tikhwama or noma ngabe yini umuntu lanayo. Sifuna ku-create i-platform le bantu labangayisebenzisa. We had a meeting ne district municipality, and they were so excited. That is why we are going to collaborate nabo in terms of creating a platform together, so that we can create a platform for small businesses which bona bakhona kuba assist ukuthi in terms of packaging, but mostly ukuthi create indzawo la bangasebenzela khona bete bato showcase khona, whether imakhiwo or whatever I set up lesobe sinayo la labo bantu labo siba create a platform, and also bese siyayimarketa i-event nalokuthi sinale village, so that bantu bakhona ukuthi bete. Indlela ebalekile ukuthi sidoyena ngilokuthi sifuna ukcreator noma ukuthi sibe ne workshop noma i-session nalama small businesses labafuna labafisa ukuthi babe yipart, so that sibabekele ukuthi tennis sikhuluma ngani, i-tennis ngapha opportunities la khona, i-profile yebantu laba bakule space, i-profile lenjani, nalokuthi uma bapackage laba kupackageako balinzele ukuthi kunebantu lababuya kuphi, so that at the end of the day nabathengisa bathi ukuthi i-product yethu itohamba yiye kuthi ibitindzawo. Ngawe lo usitshela kuthini? Usitshela ukuthi kumele sibe nendlela yokuthi sithi prepare, so that makufika leso sikhathi wonke umuntu abe ready ukuthi akhona ukuthi ato showcase. One of the things mina lengifisa kuba proud ngayo ukuthi sifisa ukuthi sibe nama products labuya eMbombela, or proudly Mpumalanga product, so that sathi ukuthi sibite abantu from outside the country kusibete la batobona tinto letendiwa eMbombela than tinto letinye mhlambe letiphuma outside. So bekungaba kuhle ukuthi bantu bathathe opportunity kusibete la batokhangisa yeah ngoba thina sifuna creator I platform lokunye kutaba netinto tekudla tinto leti simple ma pop up restaurants sifisa kusabe khona sifisa kusima abantu mhlawumbe
this thing is big
basebenza mhlawumbe mhlawumbe la Judane la sikhona khona kubo government complex or wherever siyafisa ukuthi nabasi bayodla lunch during tournament period bete batoyidla la.
Yes.
So that the traffic ingakhula, so that while bete for kudla bakhona kubona ama matches and also increase I traffic, so that nema sponsors ethu akhona ukuthola I value from what we are trying to collaborate nabo kuko.
No, wena info lenhle babe lokusho ukuthi makune tournament le organize eMbombela Open, let's say idlala 2 weeks, lokusho ukuthi nawe eMbombela ufakile emnotho mnaka mawubuka ukuthi ubaleka ukuthi iplayer le tennis lihamba mhlawumbe na more than 5 webantu kufuna baye ema guest house kufuna baye ema petrol station bayowetha imoto they need to go ema mall aseMbombela, they buy clothes they go out babuya betala no cha wena info lenhle fundzisa mina ke nembukelo we Sport Talk with GTZ ukuthi ngitiphi tinkundla wani umuntu wamacala ivenue la ubambela khona lemidlalo lama tournaments njengala Mbombela mhlawumbe lo munye uyasiva Spies Mbombela utabuta ukuthi kahle kahle nidlalela kuphi. Second question, ema empires uyadiqashela noma uniketwa iTennis SA?
Yeah, kumkhuluma ngema umpires njengoba wathi kusafa umunye odlala isoccer isafa etokuthumelela bo referee ukuthi bayo officiate.
Yes.
So nala kunjalo i-tournament le sanctiona Tennis South Africa ama officials aphuma ku Tennis South Africa.
Okay.
Kodwa masikhuluma ngema tournament ye World Tennis Tour, then i-World Tennis supply ama officials. Ngilethi ngetinto lengifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngato ngoba
yes,
there's a legacy project lesiranako. One of the ideas ukuthi because umuntu oyiphathi noma umuntu ofika during a tournament, you will realize ukuthi kunema ma referees or ma officials lesitoba nawo langasuki la eMbombela basuka ngaphandle.
Yes.
Yeah. So especially for the ITF event, for the World Tennis Tour event, angeke kube khona official la eMbombela. Uma litoba khona laba official libe eMiddelburg. Ngaphandle kwalokho labanye bathe bangasuki la bathe baphuma ngaphandle kweprovince. We might have others coming from Mozambique to come and officiate because abekho la.
Okay.
So one of the things is sitenda na sifisa kutenda going to a tournament ukuthi we would like to have bantu labake bayidlala iTennis who are willing to give back and babuye babe part ye sport ngokuthi sisene i-training for bantu labafisa kungena ku officiating. And uma sikhuluma nge-officiating ngaleyo ndlela sikhuluma nge-opportunity le umuntu ingamthatha for a lifetime ngoba njengoba ngikutshela bantu basuka eMozambique bete bathi officiate eSouth Africa kumbe eZimbabwe kumbe eBotswana bete bathi officiate bakhona lesinabe eSouth Africa ku other provinces, but lokho sekubanikete amathuba ukuthi labanye bayake bahambe baye ku Australia bayo officiate baye ku US bayo officiate ngoba kukhona ipath lekhona ku officiating le ngalenye langa iyobaphilisa. Ngoke ma officials ngizama kuphendula umbuto wakho, ma officials aphuma ku Tennis South Africa kuba ngiyo le ba assigna kusibete but officiator, but again ITF nayo yena njalo. So ma facilities uma sikhuluma ngeMbombela Open, the main event esikhuluma ngayo itobe ila la sikhona khona eVan Riebeeck Park Nelspruit Tennis Club.
Yes.
But uma siyoba ne tournament yangoJune sobe silapho siletha i-junior event ke ngiyo lebese sifaka ama tournament noma ama matches eMatumi Golf Estate nase Nelspruit War School, Nelspruit Primary nase Kuro la kunama facilities khona ngoba lama players abamaningi kakhulu njengoba sikhuluma over 200 players bayodlala for a period of 3 days batsinga ama facilities amaningi. But again the main event itoba la eNelspruit Tennis Club ngilana eMbombela Open Village itoba khona. But in terms of sponsors i-visibility yabo sifisa ukuthi babe visible in all the facilities la stobe sikhona so that bakhona ukuthola i-value.
What does it take to be a good tennis player?
Kuthatha lokuningi ngoba kuqala kuba khona mhlambe umuntu talent lokudlala. But as we always say, talent alone ngeke likisenzawo. But idzinga i-discipline, idzinga ukuthi na uyibone lento, idzinga ukubona the bigger picture, and then you need to start working, you need to get coaching. Coaching is expensive. Udzinga ukuthi niketa isikhathi. Bantwana labaningi labadlala i-tennis manje. By the way, maybe asingunikete i-picture. Yabo i-tennisini.
Yes.
I-tennis ngale indlela. Kukhona labadlala i-tennis as like social players.
Yes.
Anyone angadlala. Thina nyalo la ku academy yethu tennis base sina labadala labadlalayo adults who labafika manje mina ngifuna ukufunza ukudlala tennis hayi ngoba ufuna kuba ngiSerena Williams no, but ngoba ufuna kuba active, ufuna kuba healthy, ufuna kuba na something la ngayenda. So that's one part. But kuba khona ukuthi mhlambe umuntu mhlambe so uneminyaka lengu16 na 17 18 years umuntu onjalo angadlala like socially angaba futhi competitive at that level in terms of kudlala socially. But ke na ukhumbula nyalo i-tennisini bantwana baqala banabo 5 4 6 years musingafika lesikhathi mhlambe la sebanabo 13 14 years seba sesigabeni sokuthi nyalo they can play big tournaments. So ngilethi into lethi sitibona ngawo ke sekuya ngokuthi ngiphi ipath umuntu la ithathako kanzi futhi nokuthi batali ngiphi support labanayo. Akhona nama sponsors la ngathatha umuntu akhona ukudlala ama tournament. That is why bantwana labaningi uthola ukuthi labadlalako they are homeschooling. Kwabo bavuka ekseni bete coaching ba practice every day. Ba practice 3 to 4 5 hours a day ngoba kumele bene show ukuthi mhlambe bena something ecoaching, bena something egym. While bafunza, but diningi letinto letithatha umuntu ukuthi afike esigabeni lisetulo. But angeke umuntu afune kuba competitive afike at the highest level angadlala ama tournaments.
Yes.
And then that's where my resources afuneka khona ngoba uza travel udzinga imali ye traveling, ye accommodation, sometimes angahamba aye ku tour for 4 weeks konke lokho udzinga imali.
Asikhulume ngade upcoming the biggest one. Sabzale bekune launch eMbombela Stadium on Wednesday. Sibonile behambile itulu bantu labasetulu. Sikhuluma ngepresident of tennis Mr. Kevin. Is it Crooks?
Mr. Kevin Crooks.
Kevin Crooks, yes. Ihanjelwe nangu Loyi Sports Federation president Mr. Linda Zwane and the president of tennis eMpumalanga Mr. Karele Jacobs. Ikhulu kakhulu le. Iqala nini? U-expect abantu labangakanani, u-expect abadlali labangakanani, stakeholders labafuna kufaka kunqetha bangancetha kanjani?
Okay, yeah, bona ngiyajabula uma bala labo besinabo. Besi-invite ama-stakeholders lamaningi ku-government.
Yes.
Labanye abaphumelelanga kufika kodwa siyazi ukuthi already sine-support yabo. Sobadile president we-tennis South Africa.
Yes.
Na president weMpumalanga Tennis kanti besinaye na general manager we-tennis South Africa Mr. Anthony Morutane lo supporta kakhulu ukuthi leli phupho likhona ukuchubeka nalabanye from good department yaka culture sport and recreation.
Yes.
Bebakhona
nemkhandlu idolobha eMbombela.
Yes. Nabo bebakhona kanti ke lesikhulume ngako na Mr. Linda Zwane, president weMpumalanga Sports Confederation. I-interest yakhe isekuthenini ufuna supporta the entire project, but again we are going to collaborate nabo more good development.
Okay.
And that's the junior event esebesinayo ngakho sibukile ukuthi sido finalize inkulumo nabo so that we can be able to secure everything that has to do ngimbombela juniors, which is the tournament esebesinayo ngoJune.
That's good.
But again presence yabo iyobe khona throughout the entire event or my events onke lestabe sinawo. Lokunye kunjabulisile sibonile kuba khona kwe-CEO yeMpumalanga Economic Regulator honorishile invite nakulottery kube khona kube khona acting provincial manager ngakho siyajabula kakhulu nalabanye ngile sibabonile bakhona ngakho ke kusiniketa lelithemba lokuthi sidokhona lokuthi mhlambe sibambisane nabo and everyone nalabanye mhlambe labaseta iDunlop ke it's one of our partners besinabo last year nalumnyaka lo stabe sinabo ngibo labantu bas-assista kwenye show ukuthi in terms of equipment i-tournament itobe secured.
Mbona neMopani
iMopani nayo beyikhona, they are very interested besakhuluma kumele kuna something kumele sisubmit kubo bafuna sithole i-angle right yokucollaborate ngakho ke kumbuleke uma sikhuluma ngeMopani sikhuluma ngecompany le more ku health of which uma sikhuluma nge-tennis that's where isikhona kuhlangana khona because we're supporting a healthy lifestyle ngakho ke sobe sinabo ngaleyo ndlela. Labanye futhi besakhuluma nabo imalelane still ezibuka ifacility yethu the way ngakhona sidinga la kulungisa i-seating arrangement so that ibe proper le slope area lesana sidinga usilungisa kube netihlalo. So sikhuluma nemalelane still ngaloko they're showing interest and then nalabanye bobuyukho so that bakhona ukusi-erectela khona kube ne-shading kahle ngakho ngito tindo lesibhizi nabo hoping ukuthi uma kufika iMbombela Open masicala the first event ngo-April sabe sinenzawo le-right yokuhlala.
All right. Icala nini tournament eBraSABS?
Okay. Tournament icala mhla 14 and angikhambe ngubekele just few points about i-program yethu.
Yes.
Mhla 14 and 15 March stoba nema-masters ebadlala abantu labadala njengoba wathi tennis udlala until ufika le kubo 8 years.
Okay, masters icala ku
icala 30 plus.
Okay, 30 plus.
30 plus and then so besine event lenjalo sibita ukuthi tie breaker bonanza iba khona every year si collaborate neMpumalanga Tennis so besinayo that weekend.
Okay.
As part of our activations and then ke sestoba neMbombela Open letobe siyaqala ngamhla ka27 April iyophela mhla ka10 May.
Okay.
So kuba na week 1 kube na week 2 so ngilast invite khona umphakathi ukuthi utobukela i-tennis lokulesivame ukubona e-TV lokutabe kwendeka la ngakho ke siyaba invite ukuthi bede babe khona bato supporter and babuye futhi nalabo labafuna kuba part in terms of showcasing their brands, create a platform so that bakhona ukuthi bede bato benefit ngakho ke indlela ebalekile kulokho.
Yes.
Uma sikhuluma ukuthi manje abantu bato showcase ama brands abo thina asinawo i-bag lasithwele bantu khona.
Yeah.
But singa kusinabo ba promote ileMbombela Open so that labantu bete bato babona la hayi kuthi mabafika la bathi sibude sibaphi bantu asabeside bantu sonke sifuna abantu sibetela nabo kufanele sibasebenze ukuthi manje uma betala nathi sibabude sibaphi bantu lento nabo ukuze batobona lokhu leni kuthengisako lento okukhanyisa so that nani ama brands enokhona usakhule. So mhla ka27 April until 10 May ngabe sikwendeka the first part which is the international event and then later in the year sibe seke sesiba neMbombela Open which is sanctioned by Tennis South Africa which is the biggest one in the country. By the way, we call it the greatest tennis experience in Africa and is the biggest prize money event in the country. That is why there's so much interest
in the country. Leyobe iwinwa kuMbombela.
Yes. June 27.
How much?
500,000.
Iwina.
No. Ukhumbule utheni ukuthi siyayisplitha le mali
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
but
okay.
It is the biggest prize money in terms of domestic tennis.
Okay.
But ke umuthi ubuka ibuye futhi beyinkulu even nakule ma tournaments international World Tennis Tour ngoba khona i-prize money yakhona iba $15,000. Let's split amongst the players depending ukuthi umuntu uphume kuyiphi round of the tournament. And so we are very proud nalokuthi collaborator Sun Parks, Kruger National Park,
yes,
where the winner of the June event Gubobabe nabomake, they will go and sleep over at Kruger National Park, as part of creating our ambassadors.
Yes.
They become our ambassadors to go and promote in Mpumalanga, and we'll do a photo shoot now, but the following day, the following day, so that it's generate a content, listen for social media and promote province to and the Mbombela Open. Yeah, so those are the collaborations. Listen now. Nalama events last now.
Bosaziwako labadlala lo mdlalo we-tennis loba expect ukuthi babe khona kule tournament yango June unawo mhlambe amagama abo o labanye basa checka ukuthi isimo siyobe sinjani.
Kukhona lesibabukile sisifisa ukuthi sibabe khona. Ukhumbula besikhuluma ngako ku launch kuthi 2024 saba ne celebrity match ngilasa bana madumane khona kwaba na Kidibone Mkhabela labe bayiphathi celebrity match ngaleso sikhathi. And then manje we're looking at bringing more celebrities and influencers, because I mean for us to be able to attract more people sitsinga nalabo labatuwa bende appearance, labanye batodlala celebrity match, others will come and support and be here bakhona ukuthi support, but as you know, would like the tournament to cool, and then we believe we need different elements to make it grow. That is why umothi ubuka kube US Open dokhona utobona kunabo seal, utobona kunabo saziwako laba actako labaculako labadlala soccer bo Pep Guardiola bebakhona recently US bobukela, because bayathanza kulandzelela i-tennis, because i-tennis kahle is the most watched sport uma ngabe sikhuluma nge-US Open ne tournament e-Australia. Ngakho-ke lokho kwenta kusi tournament noma nje i-tennis ibe i-tennis leba semehlweni ebantfu mhlaba wonke. That is why baningi laba traveler all over the world bayobukela i-tennis overseas.
Where can they get all these details? Let's khulume ngawo in terms if you wanna participate, you wanna find the information about this tournament.
Okay, go onke ma platforms si Mbombela Open ngilaba ngathola khona ma updates, bathola information, siyobe siqala sikhipha information about the Mbombela Open Village, especially labo who would like to come and exhibit and showcase whatever they have. Siyobe siqala sikhipha information so that bakhona nabo ukutulungiselela. Sicela nje manje abantu basinze so that singakhona ukubona ukuthi singakhula njani, sikhule sonke, sikhulise i-province yethu.
It will be wrong for me not to ask you the dominance of Alcaraz Magahlula Rodmane on Sunday. I'm not sure if your guess was Vele Alcaraz will do it. What's your take on that?
Okay, yabo uma ngakimi sikhuluma ngokukhuluma ngenhlitiyo nalokho lokucabanga ukuthi yini lento wendele.
Inhlitiyo ibe insi.
To be honest, ngiyafisa wangazi Djokovic final angayithola le Grand Slam yes 25. Solo kuyamhlula ngoba Alcaraz na Jannik Sinner, they are dominating tennis currently. Last year bashare the 4 Grand Slams boy 2 bathatha 2-2. Uma ahlula Jannik Sinner, even namanje I don't think Jannik Sinner bimele lo mdlalo ngawuluzile ku Djokovic. I don't know what happened, but bengibukile bengifisile kusanga wina Djokovic, but it wasn't to be. On paper we know ukuthi Alcaraz vele bekade uwina lo mdlalo. Otherwise i-tennisini kumele ukuthi for the next 3-4 years buke ukuthi Alcaraz na Jannik Sinner badominate. Bakhona labanye badlali labasise khona laba mhlambe labafuna kuvela. Simbonile na Zverev naye afuna kusonzela ngoba sozame kaningi usasonzela kuma semi-finals kuma finals, but akakhona ukuthi naye aphumelele. Ngakho kodwa ke ngicabanga ukuthi ngilabo badlali labo lesibabona kuboma ke it's always up and down ngalinzela noma ngabe ngibani sengathi
Coco Golf Arina Sabalenka
yeah
Rabakina it's always turning
lapho noma ngibani kuya ngosibendekani ngaleso sikhathi umuntu isikhathi sakhe form right bayavela otherwise ngicabanga ukuthi kubobabe Alcaraz neJanikson Sato bobona badominate
Ucabanga ukuthi Djokovic salabeka phasi
yabo ngikufisa kwami ngicabanga ukuthi manje kuze nalokhu lasakhona ukuachieve ukuthi kusecureke bekungaba kuhle ukuthi kufike isikhathi masinyane ashiye phansi ashiye ngendlela mhlambe lene dignity ngimvile athi akacabanga ukuthi lo mnyaka lota kutobuya eAustralia ngicabanga usibeka lethe konke la nako last weekend uzame ngayo yonke indlela kodwa ke akukhonakalanga angimbone ke awina eFrance ku French Open angikuboni kwendeke.
It was so painful makathi I even came here prepared, wrote my winning speech. Unfortunately, this Spain boy, Alcaraz is doing marvelous. There's nothing you can take. He's still young. The energy is still here. He can move. Now Djokovic at the age Lena Alcaraz now he was doing the amazing job. Before Sasivala Prasabza, we really appreciate. I'm enjoying the conversation. Obviously, you will need all the support that to make this event be successful. Now my camera O2 you can decide babide bitasive ucela ama stakeholder ucela abantu baNkulunkulu laba khona kuyisita le event ibe impumelelo.
Thank you so much for for the opportunity.
My pleasure.
Lengifisa ukusho ukuthi umphakathi even naku launch ngokhulumile ukuthi you see up to a certain point this holding Mbombela Open it's more of a selfless journey. Lokhu lesikwendako akucali ngepersonal gain but kucala ngokuthi lento le ayendeke so that indzawo yakithi eMbombela eMpumalanga ikhona ukuthi ikhule. Ngakho ke siyacela ukuthi the community out there labo labatiko ukuthi kunabani lokungendani ukuze kwendekini bakhona ukuthi basiside ngaleyo ndlela. We need information singa teams singabantu who are prepared to volunteer to be part of Mbombela Open to make it a great success. Abantu who are good in terms of social media, in terms of marketing, who are willing to say, I can contribute, my time, I can contribute skill, yes. I can contribute in, in different ways. So, kukhona laba nema businesses, uma sikhuluma about a tournament, usine a space for bandu who can come and market their business. Those who are willing to sponsor, give, support monetary or in any other way. We really request umphakathi ukhona usisita ngaleyo ndlela. There are big companies, there are small companies, it doesn't matter as long as someone akhona ukuthi asinike support ngaleyo ndlela. Ngakho ke siyacela kakhulu umphakathi ukuthi ukhona ukusisekela. We are going to give them a platform, as you can see even the banners here.
Yes.
Kukhona abantu labatothola prepared ukuthi manje bede and come and put up my banners, come and put up my stalls tinzawo la bato ba visible khona so that bantu bathi kusinalo ufakile isandla kusile tournament yendeke. Kuningele satokwena sitoba ne golf day. That's another platform for my sponsors ukuthi manje abantu bafake isandla babe visible nalapho. Kune program lesitobe se engage kuyo neMpumalanga Sports Confederation ngokuthi throughout the province sihambe si donate equipment to certain schools so that banikete nabo indlela ukuthi baqale so that one day sibone abantwana babo bakhona ukudlala i-tournament. So ngito thina lesifisa ukuthi umphakathi usite kudo sithenga ama sponsors ngawo ngaleyo ndlela sicela ukuthi umphakathi khona usisekela siwena ngayo yonke indlela nathi ukuthi sinikete back in terms of space, in terms of advertising, in terms of marketing and community engagement. And by the way, we are going to have a live streaming service. Okay. That's another platform la bangakhona ukuthi bafake imali or sandla khona so that ne logo yabo ne mstohamba siyo profile ama companies kuma premises abo siba interview and package them sibafake ku social media as part of my partners and my sponsors ethu. Ngakho we really request umphakathi ukuthi support, otherwise this thing angeke ikhule ngathi kuphela but idzinga umphakathi, idzinga ama-sponsors, idzinga abantu labangakhona ukuthi manje hayi man mina ngathi sibani ngingamkhulumisa ngicela ukuthi aside ngalokhu kumbe singakhuluma nabani akhulume nabani ukuze kwendeke izinto ngakho-ke that way this thing there's no way yobile emuva kahle kahle there's no turning back.
Yes,
so uma ngabe uthola ukuthi mhlambe kuba khona lo salele emuva akwendi lento ukuthi into khula ngoba bato bakhona labanye labantu isita kusikhona ekhula. Ngiyabonga.
True. Yeah, besikhuluma ne-founder yeMbombela Open Mr. Sabelo Mathebula asitshela nje ngemlandvo wayo le Mbombela Open ukuthi iyaphi ne-upcoming tournament. Ushilo ke ukuthi mangabe ufuna yonke information, all the social media platform, your Facebook, your X, your Instagram, it's Mbombela Open. Mbombela Open, you just follow and then you get all the information. Ngilawuta ubuta khona mangabe auntie ungumjita uyahasla ushilo ke ukuthi bosoma business labancane bamukelekile ukuthi bangeta batokhangisa kulelanga lale tournament. So nathi si Sport Talk with GTZ siyakuthembisa ukuthi la baya khona siyobe sikhona khona just to give you the information. So we really appreciate the support. Siyayivala ke sithi nakuwe yenda njalo ungakhohlwa kupressa subscribe wende njalo. Shout out to Cherry uyithola eMbombela. So if you wanna drive a beautiful car, this is my state. Out of 10 cars leti ndlula emgwaqweni 4 yato kusuke ukuthi imoto taka Cherry. If ufuna ukungiphikisa get me on social media. Danko ngiyabonga. Danko sibonga.
You are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's view. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.